Okay, hello, can everyone hear me? Hear me okay? All right, so welcome today everyone. My name is David Kent. I'm an associate professor here at Woosong University, and I'm also currently serving as head of the graduate program for TESOL-MALL. It's really wonderful that we're able to attend today this joint TESOL-MALL Symposium, and I extend a very warm welcome to you. If you don't know much about our program, really, we are the longest running TESOL program in Korea. We started in 1999, so we've been going for quite some time. All of our courses are taught in English, and our faculty all has doctorates with specializations in language teaching, education, or technology. Our teacher education pathways, we have three of them in fact. So we have a certificate, we have a master's in TESOL, and we have an American MA 1+1, which is a dual degree. So that's with St. Cloud State University in Minnesota. And Jim Robinson, the director of that program, is here today. Maybe there he is. And we also give 30 to 50% off in tuition waivers to students. And that depends on their GPA, their TOEIC, or IELTS scores. And most of our students are actually international students. We don't have many Koreans. I think this semester we have actually no Koreans. So they're all international. And we're located over in building S1, so it's a little bit of a walk from here. We're kind of on the right-hand side of the campus, and S1 is way over to the left. It's not, looks a bit far, but actually it's about a 15-minute walk, I think. So it's not too bad. So today, please take the opportunity to maybe network, join KOTESOL if you haven't already. And if you're interested in our program or the dual degree, we talked about Dr. Robinson and myself about that as well. Otherwise, please enjoy your day, the talks that we have, the workshops that we have, and let's welcome now Mike Peacock from KOTESOL.